Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the stock and financial markets. I had predicted in my previous video and my article that the opposition of Saturn and Sun degree wise will be most instrumental for the Nifty crossing the 16,000 and 16,300 mark. It is already done. Now the question is that what will be the impact in the coming week? Now in the coming week, the planetary positions are changing on the 8th and 11th August, and then on the 17th August. On the 8th, Mercury is changing to Leo, and on the 11th, Venus is going in debilitation. They are the important factors. Mercury and Venus are important factors together with Sun. And the moment the Sun leaves the Samsaptam house from Saturn, there will definitely be a change in the stock and financial markets after the 17th. What does that mean? It clearly means that the market may touch all-time high till 11th, and the other date is till 17th, and after 17th you may see some corrections. So this is what I just wanted to share, and let us see how it goes. My disclaimer clause applies because I will not be responsible for any person who invests in stock and financial markets and he faces losses. He shall be doing it on his own accord, on his own whims and fancies. Maybe it is an individual, maybe it is a corporate, maybe it is a company. So I shall not be responsible for the same. I am trying my level best to do research on the stock and financial markets, and now on I will be giving predictions for every week. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Yesterday I had made a video that there is definitely August month is definitely a better month than the other months. September month, I've already mentioned, is most enigmatic. So we will see when the time comes. I will make videos for September also, but I've already mentioned that between September and November, it is the most critical time for the complete world, for 6 things to happen. Inflation can go up, oil prices can go up, coronavirus third wave can take an ugly dimension, there will be political turmoils. So all this will put together will definitely impact the stock and financial markets. But as for now, as I've mentioned, 8th Mercury is changing and 11th Venus is changing. So Venus is the karka for the price index. So what is going to happen? All those commodities and stocks which are going up, they will come down, and all those which are going down may surge, may go up. So that's all friends, I just wanted to share that the coming week is going to be volatile as far as the stock and financial markets is concerned. Please subscribe my channel, and that's all I just wanted to share friends. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and bye bye.